Stop settling for dense, rock-hard ice cubes from traditional freezer trays that dilute your drinks, freeze your blender blades, and break your teeth. Welcome back. If you want to bring the legendary, craveable crunch of luxury drive-in restaurant ice directly to your kitchen counter, the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker Countertop Stainless Steel Silver is the ultimate refreshment upgrade of 2026. This isn't a slow, noisy traditional ice maker that drops solid blocks of frozen water. It is a high-yield, gourmet pellet engine. The absolute showstopper feature of this Antarctic Star model is its advanced extrusion technology that crafts authentic, chewable nugget ice, often celebrated as sonic ice. By scraping layers of flaked ice off an internal freezing cylinder and compacting them into tiny, airy cylinders, it creates soft, porous pebbles. These nuggets are packed with thousands of microscopic air pockets that instantly absorb the flavors of your iced coffee, sweet tea, or summer cocktails, giving you a deliciously flavor-soaked, crunchy treat at the bottom of every glass. What makes this stainless steel countertop unit an absolute entertainment staple for 2026 is its heavy-duty production capacity and effortless, intelligent maintenance. Operating on a swift, high-efficiency cooling cycle, it kicks out its first batch of fresh, chewable nuggets in just a few minutes and generates up to a massive 35 pounds of pristine pellet ice every 24 hours, ensuring your party cups and beverage pitch wells stay permanently filled. Engineered for absolute user simplicity, it features an intuitive one-click control panel that alerts you instantly via smart indicators when the water reservoir runs dry or the ice storage basket is completely full. To make sure your ice tastes flawlessly crisp and clean without any stale refrigerator odor, it features a built-in automated self-cleaning cycle. With a simple long press of the power button, the machine automatically pumps water through its internal lines to scale away mineral deposits, wrapping commercial-grade luxury in a sleek, fingerprint-resistant silver silhouette that looks spectacular on any kitchen island or wet bar. Click the link below for the best price and bring the ultimate crunchy ice experience home today. If this breakdown helped you find the perfect countertop Pebble ice machine for 2026, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the smart, high-value kitchen appliances that upgrade your daily hosting game. See you in the next one.